Hey everybody. Okay, so today, because I'm gone, we're going to take just a little bit of a break from your project and we're going to do an alternative printmaking project. This one, you're going to be using a 4x4 foam sheet and we are going to do a relief drawing. You will be doing 1/4 of the design. And so the idea is we're just going to work off a corner. You're going to make one design. And then this design is going to be rotated and printed 4 times so that it creates a radial image. Okay, radial symmetry is a type of symmetry where the designs are working off of a center point. So I'm going to just kind of quickly free draw some designs here. And you will have a little bit more time to plan, whereas I'm just kind of quickly putting in something. All right, and just making sure that you are pressing firmly. If you are a light drawer, you are going to want to trace over everything a second time. All right, so just something like that. Okay, now after you are completed with this, you are going to want to color your design with markers. So we're just using the Crayola markers at your tables, and you can use the ones from the back of the classroom. And so I have my markers here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly color in some areas. Okay. And you can be a little bit more detailed because you're going to have more time, like I said. Mrs. Belzer is just trying to get something on the page here so that it will print. And if you get a little mark on the table, we know that it's washable and that's okay. Okay. And after we are done with these, we're going to be wetting pieces of paper that are at your table. Now I could fill in this section with a color if I had the desire. Maybe I'll just kind of do some lines just to add a little color in there, okay? I'm going to print these triangles and I want them a little bit bigger, so I'm going to color outside the lines. All right, so now I have my piece of paper, I have a sponge, and I'm just going to, I have a little tray of water over here. I'm going to wet my paper. Ooh, that's got a lot of water. All right, I'm getting my whole sheet of paper wet. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put this on this corner and press. Okay, and then after you press, you're gonna lift and kind of worked out. Okay, and we're going to then rotate it. You color it up again, and then I'm gonna print it here. I'm going to print it here, I'm going to print it there, and then it's going to make one design. All right, let's just try this again. Okay, I recolored my block here. I'm turning it so that it's going to line up, matching it, and then I'm going to try to press really firmly. And I'm trying to hold it still with this hand. See if I get a better print this time. Ooh, that worked out better. Okay, so I would repeat that 2 more times, and I could go over this one again if I wanted to try to get some more colors out of that. Okay, I'm gonna go for this corner. I'm wetting it again, and I think really having very wet paper is the secret to getting this to work. So I line up my corner, press down, rub, and we'll see how this works. If I had washable Crayola markers, it would work a lot easier. But unfortunately, we just have the regular kind. Okay, there we go. Okay, and I'm going to try to reprint this corner. There we go. Now this one down here, I didn't squeeze out my sponge before I put it on, and it ended up just being way too much water. So we're going to call it the Goldilocks Rule. You have to do just the right amount of water, not too much, not too little. Okay, so as you can see, it's kind of an experiment process. I want you guys to save these in your folder when you're done. You can wipe them off with a piece of paper towel, just so they're dry. These need to go on a placemat and put on our drying rack. And don't forget, I probably should do this beforehand. Don't forget your name. All right, I'm excited to see these when I get back. Have a great day.